Hello and welcome to today's motivational video on goal setting and achieving. Today, we're going to be talking about how to set and achieve your goals, and how to stay motivated and focused on the journey towards success. First and foremost, it's important to define what success means to you. Success means different things to different people, and it's important to know what it means to you so that you can set goals and make plans that align with your values and priorities. Once you know what success means to you, the next step is to set specific and achievable goals. This might mean setting a goal to start your own business, get a promotion at work, or save up for a down payment on a house. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they are specific and achievable, and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. In addition to setting specific goals, it's important to make a plan for how you will achieve those goals. This might include setting deadlines, creating a budget, or finding resources and support to help you along the way. One of the key principles of goal setting is to make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that your goals should be specific and clearly defined, with a clear plan for how you will achieve them. They should also be measurable, so you can track your progress and see how far you've come. Your goals should be attainable, but also challenging enough to stretch you and help you grow. They should be relevant to your values and long-term goals, and they should have a specific time frame for completion. Another important aspect of goal setting is to stay motivated and focused on your goals. This might mean setting aside time each day to work on your goals, finding an accountability partner, or setting up rewards for yourself when you reach certain milestones. In conclusion, goal setting and achieving requires setting clear and specific goals, making a plan for how you will achieve those goals, and staying motivated and focused on your journey towards success. With hard work, persistence, and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go out there and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips on goal setting and achieving have motivated and inspired you.